in this video I'm going to share one of the secret AI tool which you can use totally free. So before going to start, what you need to do, first you need to come here, and in here you need to come open the gencoder.ai. I have already logged in with my email ID. Okay, once you log in, you need to come with your this code, and here if you search gencoder, here you click on that and then hit the install button. Here install it will come. I've already installed, because of that it's showing uninstall. Once it will done, then you need to come here and I'll go to my chat. I've already given prompt to this tool. Okay, first I will close everything, close all the spam. So yes guys, I've given the prompt here. Give this prompt, and here you need in the chat box I'll create here. If you give here, one second, sorry. Here what you need to do, you need to select this one, code agent beta, and then you need to give your create a prompt, create a task management apps for web, and also not web. I'm going to give responsive app. Use React.js and TypeScript. Once you give and once you hit, it will start preparing. Okay, and it will take some time to create an entire project workflow. So see here, this application is giving a step by step everything. If you see readme.md, and also this application is analyzing entire things and all. See, let's see now all the project folder, how the everything, this details workflow this agent is giving me. Okay, if you see project structure, how mobile structure is there, how shared file is there, I'm getting a start of project, everything I'm getting. Now see package.json. Okay, let's see. Okay, here task.css they are creating. They are taking to do in progress complicated archive. Okay, and we can change if you want to add you know extra details also. As a status you can add it later, we can add it if you want. So let's see, and don't skip this video, because I'm going to share you each and everything whatever I'm doing, so it will not create problem for you while you are most of video. If you see in YouTube, what they will do, they will skip the video, the reality what they are doing. If they are getting the issue, if you see lot of video, they are not mentioning they are getting the issue, but AI agent, yeah, any code editor, AI code editor, they are also giving the bugs. So you need to fix that bugs also. If I will get any bugs on this application, so I will guide you how you can fix also using this AI tool. Okay, because this is mostly those people, if you are a developer, so you can easily understand and then you can fix it. If you are a React developer, yeah, TypeScript. But if you are not coming from this background, if you are coming from other background, then in that case you need to understand how you can write a prompt and how you can use that prompt to fix the bugs and all. So let's see. It will take some times, guys, because it's not a easy task. Yeah, but I can tell you one thing. Same thing, if I'm going to give any TypeScript, yeah, React.js developer, they will take more than 1 to 2 days to creating this kind of stuff. Maybe 1 week also in a real time scenario. But in a real time, we not follow like that. Okay, very different there. If you go in any company, if you work any project, that is very different to the how AI agent is working. So lot of things we need to decide before creating any project. Security is main concern there, because if something is happen in future, how company will tackle that kind of thing, data leakage and a lot of things there. So simply not, company will take and they will create the entire project, and then that project they will deploy in production. These kind of things not happen in real time. Real time is very different. But if you are a beginner, if you are a non-technical background, if you are a coder also, if you don't know, so this video is for you guys. No changes and all. So based on that, it's creating here. If you see, if I want to run this application, how I can run and all, this application is suggesting to me. Okay, so what I will do, first I will accept this all the file, because If you go to the project folder, see here, there are three projects there. Mobile, web. Mostly I'm going to run this application in web because mobile setup is not there in my laptop. So later we see mobile also, but right now I'm going to only show you how web application is showing, and same code is there for mobile also, only the format and page resolution is different. So let's see. I'll go the code gen coder, and I'll accept this all the code, apply all. Let's see how much time it's taking. Okay, it's done. What I'll do here, I can run also if I want to run. If I'll click here, it will directly go to the terminal. Let's see how much time it's taking. Yeah, now I am enter in terminal. Now if I want to run this, I can click on that, and yeah, now it's started installing the all the dependency and file. Okay, npm installation is done. What I'll do, I'll start. Let's see if any issue is coming or not. That is the main goal. If we get issue, then it will create problem for us. Okay, okay, yeah, compile time error. Okay, almost lot of issue there. What I'll do, I'll give entire issue to my code editor. Okay, how they are. Let's see. I've already copied the all the bugs, and see here. Still my operation is going on. Let's see in browser. Still the operation is going on. Let's see in code. Yeah, I will minimize the terminal. Okay. See here, all the issue is showing here based on the folder and structure. Now I'll minimize. Let's say I do is your work. Okay. And I don't need to rerun once again and again. Let's see, now my project is created. It's very a small project, but it's created. If you able to see, now it's running whatever issue I was getting, and I have see based on today date it's also showing I have created an 11 mark. So let's see if I am creating any project task, new one task. Okay, my task one is created and automatically it's picking the date. Okay, that's okay, high and low. If I want to delete also, I can delete. Okay, if I want to delete this one also, I am able to delete. So this kind of a smoothness there. If you want to change UI also, you can change it, guys. So this kind of project you can create. If you want this project link, I will share with you in, I will post in my GitHub account, and you can go and explore this kind of project. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, and yeah, we'll meet you in next video. Thank you, bye bye.